Hello, this is a video how to replace your glow plug relay and how to measure it out on an X3 2007 model. First you have to remove these plastic hose clamps here. After that you have to remove the manifold air pressure sensor. After that you have to remove this metal bracket that connects this plastic hose down to the intercooler. Because this is an E83 and not an E90 or one of the other models that are sedans, you have to undo this hose from both sides, because in the E90 you have enough room to wiggle it around. That is not the case with the X3. Here you have to remove the plastic underneath the bonnet to be able to access the intercooler. Otherwise you will not be able to move this hose enough to access the glow plug relay. So you have this metal clip that holds the intercooler hose here. You have to slide in a screwdriver, as I will show you in a moment, and just pop a little pressure on it and it will go out. And after that you have to pop the hose back. After you're done here, you need to remove the glow plug relay mount, which is mounted to the oil filter housing with two nuts. You cannot remove the relay on its own. Before you remove the glow plug mount, you need to remove the connectors here. The rectangle one has a tab on it that needs to have pressure put on it to be able to be taken out. The round one that goes to the alternator for power supply just needs to be pulled out really hard. Here's how to try out your glow plug relay with a multimeter. First off, you have to set the meter in continuity setting. Then you have to have the minus probe on the power supply cable of the relay, because if you reverse the probes, at least with my multimeter, I do not get a reading. So you set the minus probe on the power supply and you try out the lower row of the pins. I will show you in a minute which pin is where. In my case, I had a problem with the connection to the third cylinder. If anything inside the glow plug relay is broken, you will not get a reading. You can open the glow plug relay and resolder some cables, which I have done with my older E46 series, but I decided to go with a new relay in this route. And this shows you that the new relay is all correct. Here is the first cylinder pin, and after that is the second, third and the fourth cylinder pins on the lower row of the relay. I'm sorry that I did not record the whole process of removing the glow plug relay. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comments. Thank you for watching, and if you have liked this video, give me a thumbs up.